Jaxie. Is that yummy? Should we say hello to Kai? Hi, Kai. Is that yummy, Kai? Can you say hi, Bubby?
Hi, Bubby.
Can you say bye-bye, Bubby?
Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, Bubby.
Kai, are you happy?
I'm happy.
Yes.
Happy.
Kai happy. Thank you. I love you, Kai. Do you love Mommy? Jaxie, are you happy? Jax happy?
Mommy happy. Happy.
Mommy happy too, yes.
Daddy happy.
Daddy happy too.
Bobby happy.
Bubby's happy too.
Josh happy.
Josh is happy too.
Kiki happy.
Kiki is happy too.
Trees. Trees.
Trees?
Yeah. Top. Look. Daddy happy. Daddy's happy. Daddy happy.
Daddy's happy?
My daddy happy.
Is your daddy happy?
Yep. My daddy happy.
Is Kai happy? Yep. Is Bobby happy?
Yeah. Bobby happy.
Is Jaxie happy?
Daddy happy.
Is Mommy happy?
No. Mommy happy.
Yeah.
Happy.
Okay, can you say bye-bye, Bobby?
Bye, Bobby. Bye-bye, Kai.
Say bye, Bobby.
Bye-bye, Kai. Bye-bye, Kai.
Say bye-bye, Bobby.
Bye, Kai.
You're Kai.
Yeah, my Kai.
Okay. Bye-bye.